Hello everyone, Dave Knight here with Knight Capital Management. You can also find me under my YouTube name. That's Trade Craze, not Trade Crazy, but Trade Craze, TradeCraze. Anyway, this is the replay on that happened on July 16th, Wednesday of this week, and it's in the ZB market, or the 30-year Treasury market, and the futures market. Little background. You got 64 ticks in a point, for instance, to go from 117 to 116, or from 116 to 115. That's $1,000 that full point would be worth. Inside of the point, you have a tick. A tick in this sense is $15.625, or $15.62.5. For every 2 ticks, it's $31.25. It used to be 32 ticks to make up a point, and that was 1,000. Used to trade at $31.25. They since moved it to $15.62.5, which makes it a little bit easier for the day trader like myself to trade and make some money in the market without risking an overly amount of money. Anyway, the half ticks definitely help. Little background also about the market. We're looking at the economic reports. I was looking at 8:30. You'll see that I already put a volume good on the bar already. This bar is going to end up being a real nice green bar to enter in. So 8:30 report is the core CPI. My 15-minute chart that I'm running with is 8:20 to 8:35. My entry is not actually going to happen until 8:35 itself. So even though you'll see it move up through these trend lines, I'm going to ignore that, because the core CPI, a red report that's on forexfactory.com on that day, that was kind of the determination that I made in the market to go ahead and go with it. I will trade at 8:35 report based upon what the reports look like in the market and how the market is reacting to that report. So let's go ahead and roll it. 8:20 open. Here we go. Open a little higher. We're going to just kind of mess around until 8:30, basically, until that CPI reports, core CPI report's going to be released. 8:27, 28, 29, 8:30. Boom, there's the report release. Do you see that? That's how fast 1 minute can go from. That's just a one tick. You just saw it go from here to here, but that was a 1 minute. This is a 1 minute tick chart that I'm actually ticking at. So you're going 1 minute. You're seeing trades that's happening within the minute. So it traded from here all the way down from 8:30 to 8:31 right here. So at 8:31 we're sitting right here. Let's go ahead and roll it to 8:35. Okay, let me stop the tape. Here's 8:35. I'm going to actually pause the tape right now and put some notations on it so I don't have to take up unnecessary time with you as well. Okay, I'm back. Here we go. Let me roll the tape, and you'll see my entry is at 116 and 18. I have a stop in the market at 116 and 22, and I have a profit target of 116 and 12 on half the contracts. I am looking at this market. I like the way this bar opened up. I like the way this is trending down right now. I like that we're below the low in the market from the previous day. So I am looking to go green line strategy if the market will cooperate with me. Obviously it did, but this is the kind of thinking that I have in the market at this point in time. I got a nice long bar. I got really good volume. It looks like it can really move. So I am looking to remove half my contracts at 12 and keeping my stop at 22, and then moving it down if need be, or getting out. So I'm leaving my options open is what I'm getting at right now, but I'm looking for a profit target of 12. So let's go ahead and roll this tape. I sped up the chart itself so it can move quicker. There we go. Let me just stop. You can see it rolled through there. That was at like around 8:47 a.m. It hit the 12 mark, and I got out of half my position, or 12 ticks, from 18 to 12. and that is $187.50 per contract. So I am in the profit. Now I still kept I'm having my stop at 22. I have a 12 tick gain, and I'm risking 8 ticks on the other side, so I have a 4 tick net gain right now that I'm running with if I get stopped out coming through there. So let's go ahead and roll the tape. Alright, let me stop it. Okay. This bar itself, it closed a little higher. I was kind of a little concerned with the bar itself. I was a little concerned with the spike reversal. At this point in time on this bar formed, I actually moved my stop to 17. So I was rolling with a 17 stop. And as you'll see, it'll continue to move down. And then we'll move forward as well. So let me mark the chart here at 17. And then we're going to eventually run into the green line, and then I'll be trading the green line as well. So let me just roll it right now. Let me go ahead and move the tape forward. You can see I made a mark of 937.50. That's what the trade was. You'll see later on, going from 18 to 115 and 20. So let me stop this tape. As you can see, 17 was never even anywhere near touched. I'm moving now along with the green line on the green line strategy on the close of the bar. Let me go ahead and pause this and move it to my exit. Okay, we're back. Here we go. I've moved the charts forward. It's 12.49 in the market right now. This is the bar. It's getting ready to print at 12.50, and you'll see it's going to take me out at 115 and 20. 115 and 20, as you see over here. I'm actually following behind. If you look on this side, you see 115.25. It'll actually go to 115 and 20, and then anyway, that's where I got out. Let me go ahead and roll it. Boom, right there. So as you can see, it rolled through there, and it did fairly quickly. But it was a nice trade itself. You're looking at, I was in the market at 8.35 once again in the market, and I got to ride it out all the way, ride this wave out to roughly in the 116, 117 area p.m. Eastern time. It was a nice trade, nice way to get in the market and keep in the market. As you can see, the volume was pretty good throughout the day. It kind of waned at lunchtime, and it was starting to pick up. Anyway, the market actually kind of trended back and forth and didn't really do much of anything for the rest of the day. Anyway, there was a good time to get out. I want to make one note. Here's the average daily range. This would have been a good mark maybe to get out at 115 and 21 and 5. This was the average daily range. I was actually below that on the exit. As the market kept going lower, I thought maybe it could reach down to 115, maybe go down in this area, but it didn't make another move down. I kept to my strategy and stayed to the green line. As you can see right now, this green line from 116 and 18 to 115 and 20 is worth $937.50, and then plus the $187.50 from 18 to 12. You add those two together, $187.50 plus $937.50. You're going to come to a total of $1,125 for every 2 contracts that you're trading on this trade. It was an excellent trade on the ZB market today. On Wednesday, July 16th. I wish you all the best in your trades. Once again, this is Dave Knight at Knight Capital Management. You also find me on Trade Craze under YouTube. I wish you all good trades and happy trading. Go get them. Bye now.